Here's how to whitelist emails in Gmail, so important messages never go to spam. If this helps you, make sure to subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Gmail in your browser and log into your account. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Next, open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click Create a new filter. In the From field, enter the email address you want to whitelist. You can also whitelist an entire domain by typing at domain.com. Then click Create Filter. Now check Never Send it to Spam. You can also choose Always Mark it as important if you want. Click Create Filter to save. And that's it. Emails from this sender will always land in your inbox.